Hello, I'm Alexander, this is the Comfortable Car Club, and in this video I'm going to test something that I saw on YouTube.
Here's how to quickly fix a small dent in your car. All you need is a plastic bottle and a simple plastic welding gun. Once the rod in the device heats up, apply a thick layer onto the bottle cap and press it firmly onto the center of the dent. Once everything dries properly, simply screw the bottle onto the cap and pull it out with a firm motion.
Now, are these things visible here? I did this in the Algarve on holiday while filming a video. I'm going to use this and this and hot glue. Damn it. You put that, can you see it's got crappy colours? That's on purpose, because if it's crap colour you can use it and you won't feel like you're wasting it. No, sod it. So that's one. Come on, it's not coloured hot glue, and that's the other. Just let it cool down. I always cover up my number plate, not because I'm like fearful of anything or people cloning it. It's not that. It's just that if any day I decide that I don't want my number plate to be known, and I've already filmed it, that horse has left the stable, it's never coming back, so that's why I cover it up. That wasn't what I was expecting, actually. Whoever put this on YouTube is a dick. Oh, that one worked. Do something else. Put this here. I should have got the kits, shouldn't I? I do this because I'm a bit of a moron. Because, so many things can go wrong, yet I still try. And I don't know why. Is it because I want content, or do I want to do this anyway? And if it goes wrong, I've still got it on film. I don't know. Because I tried this on my old Volvo, but I actually had one of those dent removal kits. You put like 2 rubber feet on a metal thing and then you unscrew it, and it worked. But I had to really repeat the process over and over again. So yeah, this didn't work, and that's why it looks like I've got snot on the back of my boot lid. So now you know it doesn't work either, and so, well, if you want to, you can try it, see if it works for you. But maybe with a Coke bottle, because it's got like more threads, maybe that does the trick. I don't know. Anyway, either way, that's a quick video trying this. Thanks for watching, hope you found it enjoyable. By the way, I've started another channel called The Car Club. Very original, I know, but link is in the description below. For those of you who made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I bid you all farewell. See you in the next one.